Hi everyone! Welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing my recipe on how to make Nyonya Laksa paste, which is used for making the iconic Nyonya Laksa noodles. This dish consists of a thick, spicy, creamy coconut milk-based broth, topped with other ingredients like fish balls, tofu puffs, prawns, eggs, and garnished with fresh herbs. Making Nyonya Laksa paste at home is a good idea as it allows us to adjust the flavor and the level of spiciness. This paste is made from ingredients that are easily available in Asian kitchens, and the ingredients are also super affordable. Here is how I make my version of Nyonya Laksa paste. I will blend the ingredients in two batches. The first batch of it comprises of deseeded fresh red chilies. I have cut it into smaller pieces. It's easier on the blender. So this is shallots, which I've also cut into, roughly chopped into smaller pieces. This is the dried shrimps. I have washed it a couple of times and drained. So now we need to blend them, starting with the shallots. Pour everything in. Then the chilies. Then this is the dried shrimp. So then we also need to add in about a cup of water to help with the blending process. Okay, once it has been blended, the texture is between a coarse relish and a smooth puree. It is a bit grainy due to the addition of salted prawns. The second batch of spices are all these spices which we are going to blend as well, starting with the galangal, which I've cut into thin pieces like this, then turmeric, roughly chopped, 6 stalks of lemongrass. I just took the white parts. Then ginger is also roughly chopped, and then we have 10 cloves of garlic, bashed garlic, then 10 candlenuts. Then we have the shrimp paste, the chili powder, and also 1 cup of water to help with the blending process. So once the ingredients are blended, it should look smooth, silky, and fine like this. So we are going to pour this into a bowl. And we are also going to pour the first batch of ingredients into the bowl and set it aside as well. Okay, so now we can cook our laksa paste. So we heat up 300 milliliters of oil. So once the oil is hot, pour in our paste. Our plan is to stir fry this for about 30 minutes over medium heat, constantly stirring the paste. So 15 minutes later, you will notice that the paste is a bit drier. The water that we have added is almost completely evaporated. So we continue to stir fry over medium heat for another 15 minutes. So 30 minutes later, you can see that our paste is even drier, the color has darkened, and the oil has separated from the paste. You can detect a very nice aroma. At this stage, we can add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I've added the sugar last because I do not want my sugar to caramelize, causing my paste to darken. So all we need to do now is to stir fry this until our sugar has melted. So looks like our laksa paste is ready. So we're going to scoop it up and put it aside. So here we go, a nice bowl of laksa paste. Okay, you can keep it in the freezer if you are not going to cook the laksa immediately. You can find my video on how to prepare Nyonya Laksa in the description box below. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, happy cooking!